Welcome back to my channel. I am Rahanum Sultan Nafim, class 4 139 Purushutalari Ghat Primary School. Today you all will learn class 4 English book unit num 3 lesson num 3 to 5 about family. Now read with me. Aziz Ahmed's parents also live with the family. His father Altaf Uddin is 68 years old. He doesn't work now, but he was a government officer. Jahanara Begum is Aziz Ahmed's mother. She is 64. She is a homemaker. She reads stories to Farjana and Jamil. They both play Cram and Ludo with their grandchildren. In lesson num 8, read and complete the chart with information about the family. We have to give information about Farjana and Jamil's family. Now we go to collect the information about Farjana and Jamil's family. Read with me. Farjana and Jamil are from Kushtia. They go to Chachua Government Primary School. Farjana is 9 years old. She is in class 4. Jamil is 7 years old. He is in class 2. They like school and they are good students. Read with me. Farjana and Jamil's mother is Rehna Parvin. She is 33 years old. She works at a hospital in Kushtia. She is a doctor. She takes care of many patients every day. She likes her job very much. Read with me. Aziz Ahmed is Farjana and Jamil's father. He is a pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. He flies to other countries. He travels to India, Thailand, and China often. He loves to travel. He is 39 years old. Read and complete the chart with information with family. We collect the information of Farjana and Jamil's family. Now we see what is the information. The name is Farjana. She is 9 years old. She is a student. She works at Chachua Government Primary School. Jamil is 7 years old. He is a student. He also job at Chachua Government Primary School. Rehna Parvin is 33 years old. She is a doctor. She works at hospital in Kushtia. Aziz Ahmed is 39. He is a pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. Altaf Uddin is 68. He is a government officer. Jahanara Begum is 64. She is a homemaker. Complete the chart with information about your family. In previous chart, we gave information about Farjana and Jamil's family. In this chart, we gave information about our family. I said the information about my family. Name Nafim. Age 10. Job student. Workplace 139 Purvo Shutalari Ghat Primary School. Sana is my sister. Age 4. Job play workplace, home. My father is MD Burhan Sultan. He is 42 years old. He job at HVS Haji Nuruddin Dakhil Madrasa. He is also a teacher. Laila Anjuman is my mother. She is 32 years old. She is also a teacher. She works at 130 Nang Purbo Sutolari Gulf Primary School. Now write your information on your notebook. Thank you, my class. You all stay home and stay safe.